Hello learners, welcome to Deep to Neuron Tech Academy. In today's video, we are going to see some interesting facts about Alibaba Group, one of the biggest Chinese multinational company. Question number 1. How many people showed up when Jack Ma presented his speech at 2000? Option A 3, Option B 4, Option C 5 and Option D 10. And the correct answer is Option A 3. In 2000, Ma was scheduled to give a speech at a tech conference in Berlin when disaster struck. Ma put on a brave face and gave his speech anyway, which ended with the sound of applause from just 6 hands. 6 years later, even Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos would be spotted at a Ma speech taking detailed notes. Question number 2. When did Alibaba company founded? Option A 1990, Option B 2010, Option C 2000 and Option D 1980. And the correct answer is Option C 2000. In 2000, Alibaba opened offices in Silicon Valley and rented a home in California, the US version of the Alibaba house. Hordes of engineers sent from Hangzhou holed up in the house, worked odd hours and ate instant noodles for dinner. Question number 3. What is the top secret project of Alibaba? Option A Apollo, Option B Space Shuttle Program, Option C Skylab and Option D Taobao. And the correct answer is Option D Taobao. Ma launched Taobao, Alibaba's most popular online shopping platform, in 2008 as a response to eBay's growing presence in China. The founder handpicked 6 employees to develop it, but he wouldn't tell them a thing until they officially resigned from Alibaba and started working on the project from the secret location. The workers weren't allowed to tell their family or friends. Question number 4. What is the market value of Alibaba? Option A $45 billion, Option B $231 billion, Option C $65 billion, and Option D $450 billion. The correct answer is Option B $231 billion. On 19 September 2014, Alibaba's initial public offering on New York Stock Exchange raised 25 billion US dollars, giving the company a market value of 231 billion US dollars and by far then the largest IPO in world history. It is one of the top 10 valuable corporations and is named the 31st largest public company in the world on the Forbes Global 2000 and 2020 list. Question number 5. When did Yahoo invested in Alibaba? Option A 2005, Option B 2007, Option C 2008 and Option D 1999. And the correct answer is Option A 2005. In 2005, Yahoo invested in Alibaba through a variable interest entity structure, buying a 40% stake in the company for US $1 billion. This would, as a result, net in 10 billion US dollars in Alibaba's IPO alone. Question number 6. When did Alibaba join with Lazada? Option A 2018, Option B 2016, Option C 2020 and Option D 2015. And the correct answer is Option C 2020. In April 2016, Alibaba announced that it intended to acquire a controlling interest in Lazada by paying $500 million for new shares and buying 500 million worth of shares from existing investors. Lazada Group is a Singaporean e-commerce company founded by Rocket Internet in 2011. Question number 7. Hema is a chain of supermarket opened by Alibaba. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. In 2017, Alibaba started opening a chain of supermarkets named Hema as a part of the company's new retail strategy, where customers can either order in the store or online for delivery in under 30 minutes. It offers a mobile app that recommends customers' product based on data analytics. If you are interested to watch more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe for Deep to Neuron Tech Academy. We think different, teach different and answer different.